When it comes to attitude, few trucks on the road today have as much attitude as the Ram 1500. At Rocky Ridge, we're built for the bold. So when it came time to design the ultimate Ram 1500, we had quite a challenge ahead of us. To crank up the attitude of this truck to 11, we start out with our proprietary 6-inch suspension lift system. This complete package includes custom bracketry, springs, and custom valve shocks so that your truck not only looks more aggressive than anything on the road, but it also features premium ride quality mile after mile. After the suspension lift, you're going to need an aggressive wheel and tire package to fill up these wheel wells. Each Rocky Ridge Ram 1500 comes standard with 20-inch wheels wrapped in aggressive BF Goodrich 35-inch all-terrain KO2 tires. Now if that isn't enough, we also offer a 22-inch wheel and tire package for an even more prominent stance, just like you see here. Most do-it-yourself truck builds stop with a lift and a wheel package, but a Rocky Ridge truck is far from the norm. From here, we get into the details. Up front, we install a custom Rocky Ridge grille while filling the front bumper with 20-inch BAJA Designs LED lights so that when the sun goes down, your party doesn't have to end. We add custom painted caliper covers, paint match fender flares, and our Rocky Ridge side steps, and for that final cherry on top, adorn the truck with our custom emblems and a windshield banner. On the performance side of things, each Ram 1500 includes a performance exhaust with powder-coated exhaust tips. We know that when you're driving one of the best trucks on the road built by Rocky Ridge, you want the world to both see and hear you coming. Climbing into the cab of a Rocky Ridge Ram is an experience that never gets old. From the custom leather upholstery to the Rocky Ridge gauge cluster, there are always constant reminders that you're driving a fully customized truck. It's not all flash though. Each Rocky Ridge Ram comes equipped with our unique locking center console box to keep all of your valuables safe and secure. A one-of-a-kind custom truck built with the finest components from front to back, all wrapped into a package with no downtime, no waiting on parts, and no bull. The Rocky Ridge Ram 1500 meets all federal motor vehicle safety standards, is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all parts sold, installed, and serviced as part of the Rocky Ridge build, all wrapped into a fully financed package through your local Rocky Ridge dealer. For more information on this and all Rocky Ridge products, visit us on the web at rockyridgetrucks.com or search your local dealer's inventory at liftedtrucksforsale.com.